For years, astronomers have whispered about the moment when evidence would surface, evidence so powerful, so undeniable, that it would overturn everything we thought we knew about the universe. And now it's here. The James Webb Space Telescope has just confirmed two discoveries that are sending shockwaves through the scientific world. The first shatters our current models of the cosmos. The second could bring the most anticipated announcement in human history. This isn't clickbait. This isn't speculation. These are the words of Nobel Prize-winning physicists and leading astrobiologists. And what they're saying now, we may have already seen the signs of life beyond Earth. And the evidence has been quietly building. In 2024, Webb captured a galaxy known as SFUDS 7329, located a staggering 13.6 billion light-years away. Here's the problem. According to current models, the universe is estimated to be 13.7 billion years old. That means this galaxy formed barely 100 million years after the Big Bang. That's not enough time for galaxies to form. Worse still, this discovery invalidates decades of measurements, from globular clusters to supernova data and even NASA's WMAP satellite, all of which estimate a younger universe. Now cosmologists are calling it what it really is, a crisis. As Nobel laureate David Gross put it, we're not just facing a tension in the data. This is a cosmological crisis. While cosmology trembles, astrobiology accelerates. Renowned scientist Lisa Colton has now stated publicly that the James Webb Telescope may soon provide direct evidence of extraterrestrial life. Her team is focused on two exoplanets, K2-18b and TRAPPIST-1e/f. In the case of K2-18b, scientists have detected dimethyl sulfide, a molecule that on Earth is only produced by living organisms in the oceans. And in TRAPPIST-1, Webb is zeroing in on planets with Earth-like atmospheres, especially 1e and 1f. According to Colton and other researchers, 2025 could be the year the announcement is made. The year we finally say it out loud, we are not alone. Aside from its groundbreaking planet research, Webb has also captured structures that defy astrophysical logic. Among them, NGC 602, where Webb spotted the first brown dwarfs beyond the Milky Way, a star system in Taurus HV Tau, where a young companion star, HV Tau c, is forming planets inside a dusty disk, a galaxy cluster, MAX J017.5, revealing a pocket of shockingly young stars located suspiciously close to our galaxy. Each of these images exposes inconsistencies in how we understand stellar birth, galactic formation, and even time itself on a cosmic scale. The further Webb looks, the more it confirms what scientists secretly feared: the universe isn't behaving the way it should. Now two parallel stories are unfolding. On one side, the collapse of the standard cosmological model. On the other, the acceleration toward confirming life on distant worlds. Together, they form a picture no one expected to see this soon. If Webb continues on its path, it could simultaneously force us to abandon the Big Bang as we know it, rethink the age of the universe, accept that life, perhaps even civilizations, are not unique to Earth. And the scientific world is beginning to brace itself, because one thing is certain: 2025 will not be a normal year for humanity. One of the most baffling observations from Webb has sparked a radical question: is time flowing differently in other parts of the universe? While observing distant galaxies, astronomers found objects that appear older than they should be. These galaxies contain mature stars and structured systems despite being born in the early universe. This anomaly has led researchers to suggest that cosmic time may not be universal. What we call 13.7 billion years could be just one timeline, ours, and elsewhere, time may operate faster, slower, or even cyclically. This throws into question every age-based assumption we've made about the cosmos, including the Big Bang itself. In its deep field images, Webb has detected light distortions and gravitational patterns that suggest the presence of massive structures far beyond the observable boundary. The mass needed to generate such distortions doesn't exist within our visible universe. That's led to a chilling possibility. These structures may predate our universe. Some physicists now entertain the idea that we're seeing the leftovers of a previous universe, or the gravitational fingerprints of a cosmic neighbor. One that never collapsed or was never born from a Big Bang. The evidence is circumstantial but growing. And if true, it may mean our universe isn't the only one, just the newest. With the scientific community increasingly open about the possibility of extraterrestrial life, space agencies are quietly preparing for a global announcement. NASA has already established frameworks for astrobiological communication. The Vatican and United Nations have both issued protocols for potential non-human intelligence contact. Private observatories and AI labs are developing tools to detect technosignatures, such as atmospheric chemicals or artificial radio signals. There's no official countdown, but those closest to the data are acting as if something is coming. And that something may no longer be theoretical. The most haunting implication of all comes from Webb's unexpected detection of neutrino-based fluctuations near ancient stellar remnants. These signals are not random. They repeat. They resemble prime number sequences, a potential hallmark of intelligent design. Neutrinos are notoriously difficult to detect. And yet, somehow, Webb's instruments picked up residual activity where no activity should exist. Some researchers now believe these may be signs of passive monitoring, something ancient, intelligent, and non-interfering. In other words, we may not have discovered the universe. We may have triggered a response. The James Webb Space Telescope wasn't supposed to rewrite the story of existence. It was built to clarify it, to sharpen the view of a universe we thought we understood. But instead, it has shattered the script. Galaxies older than the timeline they're trapped in. Molecules that whisper of life where there should be none. Structures hinting at a reality before the Big Bang, or outside of it entirely. And signals. Subtle, mathematical, intelligent, as if the universe isn't just speaking, it's responding. We thought we were explorers staring into the void. But what if the void was staring back? What if everything we've uncovered isn't the beginning of the truth, but the end of the illusion? Now, humanity stands at a crossroads. Do we cling to the models we built for comfort? Or do we open the door to a cosmos that might not care what we expect? Because the James Webb Telescope has confirmed what no one wanted to see. The universe is stranger, older, and more alive than we ever imagined. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Are we ready for what's coming next? Or have we just taken our first step into a reality we were never meant to see? Subscribe and turn on notifications, because what comes after this will change everything.